Hey guys, so third video in a day. I never thought I would reach this milestone, but this literally came in the mail. And as I've mentioned, we had a little bit of a mail backup situation due to the storms we had a couple of weeks ago. So for those of you who are unaware with what this package means, this means there's another Mint Mongoose in here. Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription. I think it's around $10 a month. I don't know. This is technically my second month doing it. I got a little confused last month because I got 2 months together, and from what I understand, that was because I signed up for a year, so they gave me like a bonus month. So this one, I'm not sure if this is February or March's Mint Mongoose because of how much the mail kind of turned into a giant cluster, but we're gonna open it up together and maybe I'll try to get some answers while I'm editing this, or if anyone wants to comment down below, feel free. But we'll go ahead and open this bad boy up. So each month has a different theme. I'm actually wearing the earrings from 2 months ago, I think. I'm not entirely sure. And then I think everyone's aware who does Mint Mongoose, you always get a little Werthers. I don't know why, but I love it. So this is what it looks like. One of my favorite things, oh, well, that's unfortunate. But one of my favorite things is literally their little, like, they have a wax seal that's a Mint Mongoose. I love Mongoose. So let's see, this looks like the theme card right here. I'm digging it. Let's go ahead and read about what the inspiration is this month, which, ooh, I'm gonna like this, I think. It says, hi there, this month's set is inspired by the words beauty in the process. I was driving with my kiddos in the car the other day, the kind of drive without a specific destination in mind, but rather just something to itch the craving, wanting to see a bit of the world. As we turned into a neighborhood, these words came across the radio station we were rocking out to. Sometimes we ask God to help us grow, and then we complain when it starts to rain. Those words bounced around in my mind for a while, and for some reason they really struck a chord with me. How often in my life have I been less than thrilled with the path it took to get from point A to point B? Often. I was reminded how important it is to find the beauty in the process and not just impatiently await the destination. We spend much more time on the way than we do at the destination, and that gives us a huge opportunity to shift our focus from solely the destination to finding the beauty in what it took to get there. I thought, what better way to embody the many paths we will travel than with the lines found in one of nature's truest beauties, marble. The thin black lines in this piece, changing in thickness and direction as they travel, are a perfect illustration of that. Just like most realizations I stumbled across in this crazy life of raising little humans, I decided to create a jewelry set around the concept to share my tidbit with you in a tangible way. As usual, I wanted to pack meaning into every bit of this set, including the size of the pieces. I wanted to shoot for a dainty collection. Why? Because my young kiddos naturally get this concept. While they are always excited to arrive, they have just as much, if not more fun on the way. I hope that when you wear it, the thin, sleek lines of this set remind you to take a moment to appreciate the journey just as much as the destination. Helena. So I'm loving how deep these cards are. Like, they truly are like inspirational. Like, she tells you about her inspiration and then it's almost like she passes it on to you. It was deep. With that being said, let's get an eye on this beauty that she sent me. From the picture, all the jewelry looks real cute. I just have to open this envelope, which is a different story. Here are my scissors. Okay, so I see this thing. I think it's supposed to be a ring. It looks pretty big. And I don't remember seeing that in the card, so I don't know if this is just like a bonus goodie, which I'll take it. I do like the style of it. If I could get it as a little bag, goodness gracious. So this is what the ring looks like up close. I'll go ahead and wear it next to the ring I got in my FabFitFun box today. Okay, I thought it looked big, but it's literally perfect. I love this ring, very cute. And then we'll see what is inside here. So looking at the packaging, that ring is not a part of this month's inspiration. So I know I've read they sometimes just include goodies depending on like what your status is or like what plan you sign up for. So I'm just gonna chalk it up to that. Let's see, I'm looking at the earrings, which look very cute, but I assume they'll look even cuter when I get them out of the plastic. So here is the earring. I know it's a little hard to see, but that's what they look like. They're very cute. I like the minimalistic look that they have going on there. Those earrings are like for sure something I would wear all the time. And then the necklace looks like it matches that. So here is the necklace. This actually reminds me of a necklace I got back when I was doing Nadine West. It was like one of my very first Nadine Wests. But hey man, I like this style. And then all of their necklaces have this adjustable chain, so you can decide how long you want the necklace to be. So I'm trying to do this one a little bit shorter because I just feel like this necklace would look best at that length. Oh, that is cute. I really like that. Anyways, that is it for this month's Mint Mongoose. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and sharing and subscribing, whatever else makes the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people. And thank you so much for watching, and stay safe out there, friends.